I blocked off an entire week to become that version of me. A week of no distractions and errands that helped me reset to feel leveled up before my birthday. I'm in full glow up mode while still focusing on intention and discipline. So if you're on your own glow up journey, this is your sign to start your reset. And if you're new here or if you're on that same vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If I look a little bit tired, it is because I definitely am. It's very early. Wanted to take you guys through my appointments that I'm going to be doing this week to prepare for my birthday. It's not going to be a full week, but it is going to be like just a few days of just all the appointments that I have scheduled. I don't have a lot to do, but I do have some things that I want to do to like unwind and just do a bit of maintenance and get prepped for my birthday. Also, shout out to all the Aries out there. First appointment that we're going to be doing today is going to be Pilates. I have a early class schedule. I'm actually running a bit late, but what is on today's schedule is a nail appointment, and then we're also going to do acupuncture appointment, and then we're also going to be doing Pilates as I just mentioned, and we're also going to run a few errands. This should be a pretty exciting day and video, just to take you guys through everything that I do to prep and take care of myself and make sure that I am feeling good leading up to my birthday. You know, just taking care of yourself. Pouring back into yourself is super important, and that's what we're going to be doing. My Pilates class. That was intense. That was my first time doing an actual class for mat Pilates. I usually do the usually when I go to like a class Pilates, but this mat one I will say was extremely challenging. I will say that. It was my first time taking this instructor's class, so she was really nice. Also, I came into the class a little bit late, 8 minutes late in the class, and this girl like just literally stared at me so hard. So I don't know, like, comment down below if you're like this. Like, if you're gonna try to make me feel uncomfortable, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Like, you're gonna get that energy exactly back to you. She stared at me, and I'm like, we're having a staring contest. I'm like, is there, like, okay, you're staring at me, I'm gonna stare at you. You're gonna feel uncomfortable before I'm gonna feel uncomfortable, because I don't feel like I'm like doing anything wrong. The instructor was really nice when I came in. She gave me my ball and was like, welcome to the class. It was just this girl that was just staring at me. So eventually the girl was like, good morning, how are you? I'm like, good morning. I guess she's seen that I was just not like, you're not gonna make me feel uncomfortable, okay? Yeah, it wasn't a big deal. We actually ended up talking pretty much in the class, but I don't like when people do that. Like, it's not your class. Like, if I'm late to the class, if she doesn't care, then you shouldn't care. Today is the day that I need to go and restock on so much stuff. A full hygiene plus self-care shop. I actually have a list on my phone so that I stay structured and I do not overspend, because we are going to 3 different stores, possibly. So I'm going to be picking up shower and body care. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of a hair care because Nourish products are out of stock right now, which is my brand if you're new to this video. So I'm going to go to my go-to brand. Also, I need to get some inner wellness staples. So I'm probably going to be going to Whole Foods. Do not sleep on Whole Foods. Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. They have the best type of skincare, the best type of body care. So many hygienic products in there that you can get that are clean brands. So yeah, if you are ever looking for like clean products, if you ever want to stock up on clean products, go to Trader Joe's. They have some really good products. And our first stop is going to be Target. I haven't been to Target in a while, so interested to see, you know, what new products they have in the store.
I'm wearing red purse, cardigan from my mom's closet, pants from my mom's closet. She's from
want to try this brand, but I'm kind of nervous to try it. It's a body butter, but again, I don't know if I should get it or not. I would normally get Method, but I'm not sure if I want to do that either. Also, I might get Native, but last time I got Native, I didn't really, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get a different scent. So
If you want to smell like baby powder,
this is what Maya is getting. Okay. This is what I'm getting.
which one?
Mango. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It's actually my birthday today. I'm doing one more appointment and then I'll be getting ready for dinner tonight, which is kind of like another appointment because he did say that he made reservations. So I guess I'm going to my last appointment later on tonight. But before I go to my acupuncture appointment, which is what I'm about to do right now, I am going to try to take this fish oil, which I have been avoiding. I'm so nervous to try it. I hope it doesn't taste disgusting, but it says that it guarantees that it's not going to have a fishy taste. I'm going to take this vitamin just because I have been slacking on my vitamins this week in particular. So I want to make sure that I at least take something today. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that I'm going to take today. And also my hair, I'll be doing that later on. But I'm not going to be going to get to the salon to get my hair done or anything like that because honestly, it's just unnecessary. And also, when I book my appointments at the salon, I had to book them months in advance. And I just didn't have time. So I was just like, you know what? I'll just do my own hair. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to just take this entire package and like just chug it down. But that is what I'm going to do. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, wow. That does not have a taste. It has more of a fruity taste. That went well. Yeah, okay. So this brand, normally when they say no taste, I swear, it's always like, I can taste the aftertaste. But I did not notice at the bottom it said lemon flavor. So that's what I was tasting. It tastes more like lemon, which is, I love lemon. So that is probably the reason why I think that it doesn't taste gross. Yeah. So let's head out to my acupuncture appointment. I'm not late, but I'm going to be getting there like right on time according to the GPS. Also, if you guys are wondering, acupuncture, this is my third time going. First time I went was back in 2018. And then I went again this year. This is my second appointment with this girl. First time I went was when I was back in my hometown. This is my second time going in the location I'm at now. But this time we're going to be focusing on relaxation, more of like calming down and things like that. So that is what we're going to be focused on this time. So let's go. YSL perfume here. It's a body and hair mist. But lately I haven't been liking spraying in my hair just because, I don't know, I just feel like there's something not right about that, spraying it directly in my hair. So I've been like trying to spray it like really far away from my hair, but I have been loving it as a body spray. And my outfit, wearing a black skirt here with a little slit, and then my bodysuit, and I'm thinking about putting on a jacket with, I don't know, I have to like see what I want to do. I'll show you guys the completed outfit.
Girl, what's your problem? Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh honey now girl, we can solve them if you just give me some time. I can open up your mind if you let me. You can free your mind. Cause I know